Dear friends, today's topic is about Gaura Electric and electric scooter. There are many options available now in the case of electric scooter. Gaura Electric is one of the best option. It's a competitive product. It is one of the leading electric scooters in Tamil Nadu. So this is the Gaura electric scooter. Nice looking body from the sides. So now let us go to home. This is the Warrior 5G model. There are 3 models in this Gaura electric scooters. Warrior 5G is one of that. It is an electric scooter. It is stylish and powerful. Basically, you have 3 models from Gaura Electric. One is the Gaura Warrior 5G. This model. Next is the Gaura Sniper 5G. So this is the product. Then Gaura Partner 5G. It has this type of seat. Color is also fine. So it has a backrest. And you can carry some luggage here at the back or at the front. So this is quite comfortable compared to any other scooters. This vehicle is mostly designed for carrying loads. The standard speeds are 25 km per hour. Standard ranges are 50 to 55 km per charge. But the fact is that you can also be able to customize the product and increase the range and also the speed. This vehicle does not have any RTO registration, does not require any license. Only requirement is a helmet if you drive this two-wheeler. So this is standard ranges, 50 to 55 km per charge is the standard ranges given. You can increase the range as per your wish. Now let us see the price of this model, especially in the state of Tamil Nadu. So various battery types are available: lead acid battery and lithium ferrophosphorus battery. Phosphate batteries are available. It is better to select the lithium ferrophosphate battery since the life is better compared to lead acid battery. So these are the various models. Basically 3 models. In that again 3 more based on the battery types. Sniper 5G, Sniper 5G Plus, then also Sniper 4G lithium ion. Again lithium ion also 2 categories. One is 34Ah 30 Ah, the other is 24 Ah. The volt is 51.2 volt, right? So these are the various models in Gaura Electric. Let us see the prices for lithium ion battery. Okay, Sniper 5G. Just a minute. So in the case of, you need to select only the lithium ion battery based on the model. Okay, that price MRP is 69,900 with cash discount 5,000. The net buy is 64,900, approximately 65,000. Prices are showroom prices. Prices are subject to notice change without notice. The company reserves the right to modify the prices at its discretion. Let us select another model, Warrior 5G lithium ion, 51.2 volt, 30 Ah. The price is 70,990 with the cash discount 5,000. So total buy is 65,990, almost 66,000. Okay. Then Partner 5G lithium ion battery. The price is 71,990. The cash discount of 5,000. Buy is 66,990. So almost 67,000. Then Sniper 4G lithium ion, 51.2 volt, 24 Ah. Let us calculate the price. Oh, it will not work out because it is 30 Ah. Okay, this is 24 Ah. So it will not display. So the battery we have selected is 51.2 volt, 30 Ah LFP. So the battery, the model should also be 30 Ah. Let us change the battery. Vehicle series battery, 18 months warranty, 24 Ah, 51.2 volt. Now let us select same 24 Ah Sniper 4G Li. It cost MRP 61,990, cash discount 5,000, net buy is 56,990. Not only these modes, these types of batteries are available. You can also increase the Ah and volt. The price may vary. This is standard prices and standard products. You can customize and increase the range and speed. So these are the 24 Ah battery and the prices, models and prices. In the case of electric two-wheelers, it's better not to go for lead acid batteries. Better would be the lithium iron phosphate batteries. So these are the three different models: Warrior, Sniper and Partner models from Gaura Electric. The specialty of this vehicle is no license is required. Since the electric scooters have limited speed as compared with the traditional scooters, therefore there are no or minimal licensing requirements. You do not require any license to drive this electric two-wheeler. It is very eco-friendly, non-polluting, will save our environment, best for a traffic ride without making any noise or pollution. These scooters are meant for everyday use with a powerful performance for enjoyable rides without any noise, eco-friendly. You can save 60,000 on running cost. Low maintenance. It costs only 10 to 15 paise per kilometer. So lowest maintenance cost 10 to 15 paise per kilometer. The maintenance cost is almost zero and much lighter in weight to handle in busy streets when compared to petrol diesel scooters. Can you imagine the running cost of an e-bike is around 10 to 15 paise per kilometer. Nice vehicle. It has both front and back disc brakes. Charge on the go. You can refuel your scooter almost anywhere. Simply plug in your scooter for safe and secured authenticated charging, whether in your office, home, or at a guest home, or at a restaurant. Charge your vehicle with a simple adapter. You can charge the electric scooter on the go. We request you to switch over to the non-polluting vehicle. Join our eco revolution. So the company factory is in Palani. 3 models: Partner 5G, Warrior 5G, Sniper 5G. The newest models are designed for today's generation to stop and go in any traffic conditions. We combine modern style with a smart design. New updated design with power pack engine, easy to use and control. Let us see the details of the company. The manufacturer is from Palani, Tamil Nadu. Nice vehicle. Our ideas have always been electric. Now you own a cart which is 90% less polluting as compared with petrol bike. We committed to building these bikes with the best quality parts, mainly in the battery, charger, motor and controller. This type of scooter does not need a license to ride, but we strongly recommend the rider to take necessary training and know about this bike to have a pleasant journey. By proper charging, servicing and following the directions as mentioned in the user manual, you have a pleasure of a smooth ride with economical and also with less pollution. Gaura Electric Vehicles Vision. We as a promoter begin our green mobility travel in 2011 with knowledge of electric bike and its key components. As of now, battery operated vehicles have become alternative mobility solution for petrol driven vehicles with less maintenance and low operating cost. Our vision is to supply bikes with superior quality and give the best after sales service. Gaura Electric Vehicles work to maintain a good relationship with the customers through our dealership network by supporting their service and spares needs for their bike. Our bike design will meet the customer requirement and give comfort ride for all age groups. So no insurance, no road tax. Okay, no insurance, no road tax, zero emission, safe speed limit, low maintenance. It is 15 paise per kilometer. Zero emission, low maintenance, no insurance, no road tax. So Warrior 5G. So these are the 5 different products: Warrior 5G, Sniper 5G, Partner 5G. Warrior, Sniper and Partner. Let us see in detail about each product. Warrior 5G first. In Warrior 5G, you have 3 products based on the battery: 5G Plus and 5G with lithium ion. So first 2 model 5G and 5G Plus are of lead acid battery. Same top speed 25 km. Full charge since it is lead acid 7 to 9 hours. Same Warrior 5G Plus also full charge 7 to 9 hours. The weight differs. Here 95 kg, Warrior 5G Plus 110 kgs. Now if you click 5G lithium ion, the weight reduces, curb weight 77 kgs. The charge is 4 to 5 hours for full charge. Warrior 5G smart features. Our eco scooters have been carefully designed by our engineers with the best in class technology. As a result, you can experience the latest technology, quality, comfort, style, affordability and eco-friendliness. So there is a dashboard with charger, front disc brake, back disc brake, front and back disc brake. This LED light. It's a long seat. So this is charging dashboard, reverse mode, front disc brake, parking mode, back disc brake, footrest. These are the features of this electric two-wheeler, Gaura Electric. This Warrior 5G model. So this color also looks very nice. Available colors. Let us see the different colors available. dark ash color, another different colors, red color, ash, then the white. 5 different colors are available. You can choose from among these 5 colors if you opt for Warrior 5G. Warrior 5G with the lithium. Let us see the Warrior 5G full specification. Our channel would suggest you to go for lithium ion battery instead of going for lead acid battery. The payload is 150 kg maximum. So these are the specifications given for Warrior 5G, which is of lead acid battery. So let us go to Warrior 5G lithium ion battery. Let us see the full specifications of this. Full specification we will see in detail. So 5G Li model, lithium ion model. Type is lithium ion phosphate battery. Capacity 1440 watt. Life up to 1500 cycles. Motor type BLDC motor. Capacity 250 watt. Payload 150 kgs maximum. Charger type microcontroller based. Indication inbuilt LCD screen to display all battery parameters, that is voltage, current, temperature, time, percentage of charge, etc. Rating 60 volt, 6 amps. Timing 4 to 5 hours. Speed 25 kilometers. Range per charge is 50 to 55 kilometers. You can increase the speed and range per charge based on the customization. This is for standard vehicle. Curb weight is 77 kilograms. Let us see the dimension of this electric two-wheeler. Length is 1840 mm, width 700 mm, height 1100 mm. Next, warranty, motor warranty 1 year, controller 1 year, charger 1 year, battery 2 years. This is about Warrior 5G models. Next is Sniper 5G. So this is a Sniper 5G model from Gaura Electric. It is also an attractive product. So here also 3 categories, 3 models are there. Based on the battery types it differs. So this is this Sniper model, front disc, back disc, dashboard with the charger, long seat, LED light. So these are the features: reverse mode, digital meter, charging dashboard, parking mode feature, back LED light, comfort suspension, front disc, back disc. So nice vehicle. So there are 3 color options available: blue, slight yellow, pink, like and reduce light. So 5G has lead acid battery, 5G plus also lead acid. Sniper 5G Li lithium ion. Let us see this specification in detail. Full specification you will see. So type lithium ion phosphate battery, capacity 1440 watt, life up to 1500 cycles. Motor type BLDC motor, capacity 250 watt, payload 150 kg maximum. Charger type microcontroller based, indication inbuilt LCD screen to display all battery parameters like voltage, current, temperature, time, percentage of charge, etc. Rating 60 volt, 6 amps. Timing 4 to 5 hours. The capacity of the vehicle, speed 25 km per hour, range per charge is 50 to 55 km per charge. Curb weight 75 kgs. Based on your customization, you can able to increase the speed and range of the vehicle. Length 1800 mm, width 690 mm, height 1090 mm. Warranty 1 year, motor warranty, controller warranty, charger warranty 1 year, battery 2 years warranty. So Sniper model is also good, looks nice. Based on your preferences, you can go for the models and also the price. Lithium ion ferrophosphorus is phosphate is highly advisable. Let us see the partner 5G model now. Partner 5G model, the seating attracts me a lot. Have a backrest seat, no vehicles have, especially two-wheelers have. Here you have two models, Partner 5G and Partner 5G Li. You don't have 5G plus in this Partner 5G model. So lithium ion, so 4 to 5 hours full charge. Curb weight also comparatively less compared to lead acid battery. So this is the Partner 5G smart features. You can experience the latest technology, quality, comfort, style, affordability and eco-friendliness. Front disc brake, back also disc brake. Dashboard with charger, long seat, LED light. The seat you can fold it. This is front disc, charging dashboard. Open and close it. You can close it when not required. Parking mode, comfort suspension, disc back disc, reverse mode. So this seat can be adjusted. So here you can have the once you have tilt this seat and keep it vertically, you can have the luggage at the back and also at the front. You have enough space to keep the luggage, and this electric two-wheeler is designed for carrying loads. 4 color options are available. So blue looks more attractive than other colors as far as personal feel. So let us see here. Nice, it has been tilted, seat has been tilted. This looks nice. This is a Partner 5G model. Front also looks nice. Side look nice. If a single person drives this two-wheeler, you can keep this backrest of the seat straight and you can drive. Meanwhile, luggage can be kept at the back or the front. If some other passenger comes with him or her, you can close the seat like this. That is the advantage of this electric two-wheeler. Partner 5G model. To me personally, this blue color attracts a lot. Nice vehicle. Proper suspension is also provided. So this is red color. So nice. You have seen the vehicle by rotating it 360 degree. So let us see the full specification of Partner 5G lithium ion. Okay. So battery is lithium ion phosphate battery. Let us see the full specification. Capacity 1440 watt up to 1500 cycles life. BLDC motor 250 watt. Payload 150 kg is maximum. Charger microcontroller based. Indication inbuilt LCD screen to display all battery parameters like voltage, current, temperature, time, percentage of charge, etc. Rating 60 volts, 6 amps. Timing 4 to 5 hours. Capacity speed is 25 km per hour. Range is 50 to 55 kilometers. You can customize it and increase the range. It costs somewhat extra. Curb weight is 80 kgs. Length is 1900 mm. Width is 690 mm. Height is 1200 mm. Warranty of the motor is 1 year. Controller 1 year. Charger 1 year. Battery 2 years. So this product looks attractive, right? So either position you can have the seats. If you are alone driving, you can use the right side. If somebody else come, you can use the left side, right? So nice picture. Let me take a snapshot. So it's red color model. Nice model. You can visit the site gauraelectric.in to know more about the Gaura Electric vehicles, electric two-wheelers. So nice vehicle. Instead of purchasing petrol two-wheelers, you can opt either of these vehicles. The future is the electric two-wheelers, since the maintenance cost is very less. So all of their products are looks nice, also useful. Thank you friends.